In today's video, I'm going to teach you why Ninja Forms submissions are not visible. Fix guide. If your Ninja Forms entries aren't showing up, we'll walk through a clear checklist to get them back. First, confirm that your user account actually has permission to view submissions. In your WordPress dashboard, open Ninja Forms, go to Settings, then User Permissions. Make sure the role you're using is allowed to view and manage submissions. If you're an administrator, you should typically have full access, but it's worth verifying and saving any changes before you proceed. Next, open the specific form that's causing trouble. Go to Emails and Actions and check that the Save Submissions action is enabled. This is what stores entries in your database. If it's missing or disabled, add or enable it, save the form, and submit a quick test entry to confirm it's working. If submissions still aren't visible, take a look at the database. Use PMyAdmin or your hosting provider's database tool to inspect the Ninja Forms submission tables. You're simply checking whether entries are actually being written to the database. If you can see rows there, but not in the WordPress submissions screen, it indicates a display or permission issue. If it's empty, you're likely dealing with a form configuration, conflict, or caching issue. Avoid making database edits unless you're confident, and always keep a backup. Conflicts with other plugins or your theme can also hide entries. Temporarily disable all other plugins except Ninja Forms, then test the form. If submissions appear, re-enable your other plugins one by one until you find the culprit. If needed, briefly switch to a default theme and test again. Common conflicts come from caching, security, or optimization tools, so pay special attention there. Speaking of caching, clear your WordPress cache and your browser cache. If you use server-level caching or a CDN, purge those as well. Then test the form in a private or incognito window to rule out stale content. Make sure everything is up to date. Go to Dashboard, then Updates, and install the latest versions of WordPress, Ninja Forms, and any Ninja Forms add-ons. Updates often include bug fixes that restore proper submission visibility. For deeper insight, enable debug within Ninja Forms by going to Settings, Advanced, then Debug. Submit a test entry and review the log for errors, then turn debug off when you're done. Finally, check email notification under Emails and Actions. While email doesn't control visibility, a correctly configured notification confirms the form is firing as expected. Follow these steps, test after each change, and you should see your submissions appear again.